What is up, y'all? It is Friday, last day of the week. It's been a unusual week, really. Silly mistakes. Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday was good. Yesterday we did move our stop tighter and shouldn't have needed to, but we would have eventually technically not hit take profit and it would have been stopped out. So that was 4 hours later though. But um, learning from yesterday, um, I tightened my stop and I didn't mean to. Well, I shouldn't have. I didn't mean to. I shouldn't have. I worked out what I could have made. I took the wrong index trade. I was lazy, couldn't bother to work out the risk on NQ. I deviated from my system because I moved my stop and the lessons. Don't tighten. Remember how you feel now because you tightened it and it didn't get hit. Don't be lazy. Remember key details because ES was close to all-time highs. I will be trying to avoid ES today because all-time highs are here, but we'll see what happens. But NQ is miles from all-time high, yeah, up there. So really weird. I'm not really a fan. Anyway, news today. We've had PPI come out, and it honestly, it didn't. Like, here's the PPI candle. Like, it wasn't that big. It wasn't as big as the CPI candle yesterday. So PPI came out at 8:30. We have got consumer sentiment, and I will definitely probably be waiting for it because last time consumer sentiment came out on Friday the 13th, it caused very big wicks to the upside and the downside, and then had a small body close. As you can see, this was that consumer sentiment candle. That is not nice to trade in, so I will just be avoiding it, I think, and wait until afterwards. And if it does the same thing again, I just won't take a trade. Um, but price action, it does look quite good. Unlike last Friday, I didn't really fancy it. So on NQ, at 8 a.m. this candle, 9 a.m. this candle closed making 1 hour lows, 1 hour lows, and 4 hour lows. Right there. 1 hour lows, 1 hour lows, 4 hour lows, and then to the upside, 1 hour imbalance. These 4 hour highs and these 4 hour highs on NQ. No real 15-minute because news did come up and take out these 15-minute draws, and these 15-minute draws, I'm going to just mark on data high for reference, but it's not a 15-minute high, it's a 5-minute high, so. And it's not the true data candle, this is the true data candle, but that's the leg of the data caused. So we're already below the data low, but we've marked that as an hourly low anyway. Hourly imbalance at 4 hour highs, 4 hour highs. ES is looking a little bit different. As you can see, news came up a lot higher. There's that 1 hour imbalance. It's been interacted with already, so I'm not drawing it on. It's already been interacted with. And ES actually made equal highs with these 4 hour highs, as you can see, 537.75, and then this high, if you look in the top corner up here, 5837.75. Equal highs here, so that is something to keep in mind. It is a magnet for price to go to. Equal highs, but ES makes a lot of equal highs and a lot of equal lows. Anyway, over on ES, hourly lows, and hourly lows. Those 4 hour lows got swept, so we cannot use them. And to the upside, just loads of all-time highs and then hourly highs, hourly highs. These are actually the CPI data highs from yesterday that never got hit. So hourly highs, hourly highs, hourly highs. Well, they're equal highs and hourly lows. Again, nothing on the 15-minute because of that news wick that swept it out. So I'd be open to taking a trade today after consumer sentiment comes out because that did a lot last time. So I will be open to taking a trade, but I'm not sure. It really does depend on what price gives me. The account is just chopping right now. With that big win, we've just chopped our way back down. The small mistakes eating at our losses, which isn't good. So yeah, the account sits at 50,982. Yeah, 50,982, and yeah, we'll just see what price gives me. I've got my calculator ready to calculate risk on NQ because ES is that close to all-time highs. But yeah, 10 minutes till market open. If price interacts with these 1 hour lows before market open, I will not use them. I will just get rid of them. And I will hold myself to that this time because it's the time I made that mistake of taking it. I took a sweep 1 minute before market open as valid and I lost. So only sweeps when markets open. Only sweeps when market open. My foot is still broken, so I'm feeling a bit shit. Just I can't really do anything. I have to just I lose. I'd go to the gym. I'd go for a run. I just can't. I just gotta sit, and I hate sitting and watching telly. Um, I probably will do some back testing over the weekend, reviewing the week, checking if I made all the right decisions, seeing what the best decisions to make were. And that is what I'm looking at pre-market. That's my thoughts pre-market. Let's see what happens. Peace out. All right, quick little video. So NQ before market open. Opens in 5 seconds. Before market open, you can see this candle here. Came down and took out these 1 hour lows and these 1 hour lows. That is 2 1 hour lows that's been taken before market open. I will not be taking them. For me to want to long NQ, I'd have to see these lows get taken. ES hasn't took them though. So interested to see what happens. If price comes up and takes highs in this imbalance, then I will be looking for shorts. That is just the data high though. Did I mark the data high on ES? No, because it is. Never mind, because it's the equal highs. So just a quick little video, just a quick. So I'm saying it, so I follow it. I will not be taking a long on NQ until these lows are taken, because these sweeps were from before. These got swept out before market opened, so I will not be taking them. As you can see, those lows and those lows taken with this candle. Not be using those two lows, so if price shits to here and gives us a long, then sound. But not off those hourly lows. So market is open now, so see what happens. Peace. Alrighty, so today was a no trading day. That is right, I did not get a setup until 11 a.m. And literally bang on the dot 11 a.m. New York time, that is when I don't trade anymore. So my setup, my strategy, my system did give a trade just at 11 a.m. Not when I want to trade. I just don't trust. I don't trust the confluences. If I'm honest, I don't trust the confluences after about 10:45, to be honest. So let's run through why I didn't take a long. So as I was saying in that short little clip, those 1 hour lows here and here got swept out pre-market, and I was wanting to see these hit before I'd consider longs. Now those 1 hour lows got swept out pre-market, and then there was a 5-minute break of structure off of them, but they were swept out pre-market, so I stuck to my rules, didn't want to trade it. And then anyway, even after that 5-minute break of structure, there was a 5-minute down candle retrace closing at 9:55. Again, that's 5 minutes away from 10 a.m. news, and there is no 1-minute confluences in here at all. There's this tiny imbalance, and there's this 1-minute break of structure that was before the 5-minute one. And that is literally it. There's no other 1-minute imbalances at all throughout any of this. There's no 1-minute confluences whatsoever at all. So there wouldn't have been a trade regardless, even if I considered this a sweep. But I didn't. So those hourly lows got swept out. These ones didn't. So no long, no sweep after 9:30, no trade. Simple as. As you can see, the trade that I would have taken at 11 a.m. is just not doing anything. Anyway, ES now, no sweep at all. 1 hour lows, 1 hour lows, 1 hour lows, nothing. Not a single one of them swept after 9:30 open. Not even before 9:30 open. And then price just went up and up and up and up and took out those 1 hour highs, the equal ones here. Took out these ones, and then took out all-time highs, and then just kept going up. It just kept going up. So NQ, same sort of thing. After that sweet pre-market, just go up and up and up. And then it takes out the data high, no, at 10 a.m. Sorry, at 10 a.m. Yes, this candle opens. This one closed down, makes a new high. I'll mark that out there so I can see it in my journal. And there was no reaction off of that at all. And then price came up and took out, or filled this 1 hour imbalance. No reaction either. And yeah, that is it. And then as of right now, price took out this hourly high, 5-minute down candle, 5-minute up candle retrace, and then on NQ, for me to take a trade, I would have wanted to see a 1-minute break of structure out of equilibrium. Didn't happen, so no trade would have existed on NQ. And then on ES, all-time highs swept, 5-minute retrace at 11 a.m. that candle closed, and then also the 11 a.m. candle broke 1 minute structure, so I would have entered there. But it breaks my rules, so I didn't do it. Didn't do it. Just get rid of all of this. I had the equilibrium of this massive range marked out. It's a target if I was going to short. We can get rid of all of this. And yeah, so that is price action today. Price came down, didn't sweep out anything after 9:30 open. News came out, sort of a big wick down, then a few minutes later a big wick up. So the 5-minute candle looks a bit like this anyway. So not nice conditions to trade when news came out, and no trades from me today. That wraps up the week. We had not a good week. We ended the week down 1%, pretty much $490. I'm down. Not a good week. Silly mistakes yesterday and Tuesday. Monday was kind of a silly mistake. I just should have took profits. So tough week. Definitely a week to learn a lot from. I will go over at the weekend and review this price action and see just every day. Did I make the right decisions? Did I not? Did I do the right thing, etc.? Did price give me what I wanted to see and I missed it, etc.? I will recap that over the weekend. I won't make a video. I'll just do it myself. Can't be asked to make a video. And that is that. As you can see, I'm glad I didn't take that trade because it is running up. And that's why I have rules in place. You've got to have good habits in place to protect your capital on days like today. No trade for me in my system. There was just no 1 minute confirmations, and there was no sweep to begin with. But like, how are you seeing a trade in this? There's absolutely nothing. There was this 1 minute imbalance in line, two in line. It got inversed, then bullish one got inversed, then that one got closed above again. No hourly sweep after market open, just pure choppiness, and then dicks, then utter dicks, and then we've had probably that move down was that 15-minute retrace into the 15-minute imbalance right there. And now price is moving higher off of that. So that probably could have been a setup, but I wouldn't have wanted to take it because again there was still no long sweep. But yeah, price did come into the 15-minute imbalance, perfectly wicked equilibrium of the range, and then inversed this 1 minute out. So yeah, that could have absolutely been a long entry. This risk right now is hindsight, but that could have absolutely been a long entry for someone to take, maybe. But someone is not me because I don't trade like that. That is not how I trade. That is not the trades I want to take. There was no lows swept after market open, so no. No trade for me. Off each of the highs, there was no 5-minute retrace. There was this down candle, but this candle closed above the high again. So again, nothing for me. And then same on ES, took out all-time highs and just wasn't given anything else to go short. So no low swept, no long, high swept, no retrace, so no short. That wraps up the week. That wraps up today. I'm going to go ahead and journal this, even though it's a no trading day. I'm still going to go and journal it, so you should too. Go and journal. How are you feeling? What were you doing? What were you looking at? What didn't happen to make you not take a trade? That being said, that wraps up this week. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.